everybody, it's me, Emily.
And Sharon.
And it's pouring here.
As you can see.
What?
Yeah.
And we are a little bored. Yeah, sad because we can't play outside.
Yeah.
Look at the pool.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy. It's gonna overflow eventually. Ah! 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 Look at the lake.
Lake. Da da da.
Ba 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 ba.
Maybe we'll do some lightning.
Yeah, where's the lightning at?
Lightning.
Ah!
I'm scared.
Wow, that was crazy. I wonder if there's any more around here.
I don't know.
Wow, that's loud.
Well, adios.
Bye.